Ahmed Baturi.
We make mention of some players. Me person me kasem the current crop of players was Asante Kotoko. Players na Ahmed Baturi bo mudino. Obi ti say Herbert time. Herbert Ekofa Emba Power by. Herbert Ekofa Steven Odro by. Herbert promote CID mo. Eugene, those players or more no munkra rich statistics as players. Meboa Joe Henrich. Oba Kotoko Frono at a point in time people were calling for his sack. Meboa. But they were able to side themselves and an integral member of Asante Kotoko team. Enti player bit said Nathaniel Asamoah Ofri Wow Stars then Ebano. Eugene, not James Ronkuna no they ba on board. Talk about Jordan Opoku. Talk about Nia J. Mamefa Inku Monka ho. Mamefa Max Sechele Monka ho. All these players, Omobano, Eugene, they had nothing under their sleeves. But the moment Omobe share red jersey no, Omunya a stronger psychological edge to play for the Porcupine Warriors. Eugene, and I think the attitude of the players and live up to the expectation I have from more as Kotoko players. Joe Rich at a point in time, Kotoko game na omo lose game na. What stands now Joe Henrich attitude? You really feel sorry Kotoko is losing this game. But this current crop of players Kotoko no. When Kotoko is losing, on the edge of losing, fans even want them to lose because of their attitude. Until you be changing coaches, you be bringing in coaches. So why you want to say, baby, I want a high demand. Until you have private life ye, over here did ye, with disciplinary issues over the ye, or conduct our camp over the ye. Since when any issues emerging from Kotoko camp are any something out of order? Intelligent. You best say coaches. You the coaches member. If you don't have that players, are willing to die for the crest? Eugene. Every year Kotoko best is a coach. And I'm really happy, sir. Nana Penkra has publicly said next season they will not go in for established players, but they will promote players from the young Porcupine. No more so about a share of the senior side, and I think that is going to help. But Eugene, after the season, players are conduct live up to expectation in a Momo. Players are issues of indiscipline. Because issue we see, when Kotoko lost on penalties, Kotoko fans had the guts to go to social media and write about a particular player, and the remarks the person said, you're only interested in chasing sugar mummies, you can't even convert a penalty. These were the quotes of from Asante Kotoko supporters. And to Bo Kotoko, you have no excuse than to deliver. Even if you are not able to deliver, make your conduct very good one. Say the bear. Say Ubejina Park no so na wuntimi mo. They will not attribute it to that side of your life, because Kotoko Bia is deemed accountable. You put it to scrutiny. The moment you be found from one camp to Asante Kotoko no, over Kotoko no, everything you are doing is under scrutiny. It's Kotoko among first mindset in issue mutrim. And there were some players that they came with high expectations.
and American.
Some players came with higher expectations.
And American Zubantimas.
Francis Aqua from the Chin. Zakaria Fuseni from Beku Chelsea. Zakaria Fuseni about Ghana Premier League not more than 4 years. What Ghana Premier League no established household name in the Ghana Premier League. It is all for the bar. You've not made a mistake. Name Obe joining me, you know.
Attitude.
What has been the attitude of those players? It's really made attitude na. Yesterday you could see Adriana Stars was eager to fight.
And they fought.
We only fought in the first half. In the second half, we were able to mark them boot for boot in terms of physical challenge. Intermediate, the American is coaches will go, coaches will come. Players like some conduct, players like some attitude. The situation will always be the same.